Hey guys, let us look at how to plot mod sin x minus cos x. So here first this is the sin x graph and this is the cos x graph. If you know a property sine of a minus b, we can use that. Sine of a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. If I multiply and divide it by 1 by root 2, so what happens is 1 by root 2 sin x minus 1 by root 2 cos x whole times root 2. So that root 2 is this one, and 1 by root 2 I can take it as cos pi by 4 here and sin pi by 4 here. So that would be sine of a minus b. So root 2 sin x minus pi by 4, I can simplify it like this. So you can clearly see that period of sine is 2 pi. Since it is inside the mod, the period is pi. So this function repeats for every pi radians. Now normally the sin x graph would be looking like this. So mod of sin x minus pi by 4 is shifted to right by pi by 4 radians. That is, it is shifted to pi by 4 radians. Actually the sine graph should start from 0, but it is shifted to pi by 4 units right, so that it would go like this. But since it is having mod, so we are taking mod of it, and again it is multiplied with a factor root 2. So that's why the amplitude is root 2 and minus root 2. So this is how we plot the curve mod sin x minus cos x. So if you observe the graph, y is not differentiable at pi by 4, n pi plus pi by 4 points. So you can see it has a sharp edge at these points. Next, these are also the points of local minima, pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. And if you see at x equal to 3 pi by 4, we have a local maxima. Now these are the critical points of this function. Thanks for watching.